Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix and unfix these temporary dreadlocks. I'll show you easiest way you can do, and even the time to unfix this hair. I promise you 100% you'll not cut even a piece of your hair, because the method I'll show you, you'll be surprised. If you are my oldest subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate your support, guys. But if you are new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your loved ones. I use rough locks. This hair is from Darling, and this is how the hair looks like. This is 21 inches long, color 1/27. Let me remove this plastic bag, then you can see clearly this hair. This is how it looks like. In one pack it comes with 4 bundles, as you see, and to braid my entire head I only use 1 pack of these rough locks. So one bundle is just like this way, not too big and not too small. I also use all sun gel to part the section. So after I part the hair, I apply some gel and then I redo it again. When it comes to braiding, you may use any kind of gel that works for you, because at the end of the day you just want clean and neat sections. So after I part my hair, I just go ahead and apply some gel on my hair, and then I split my natural hair into 3 sections, just like this way. I tried to braid this hair without cut. I find it so long, almost on my knees. So I decided to cut. Each piece I cut into 2, and in one bundle it comes with 6 locks. So after I cut, I go ahead and I stretch the hair, because I just want to start with very thin foundation. I just don't want to start with big foundation, because it will be hard to crochet this hair in these locks. So after I stretch, I make sure I keep comb. You can see once I comb, the hair reduces more and more, the hair falling down. So I make sure I keep comb these locks till I feel this hair I stretch is thin. Then I divide into 3, just like this way. The middle part will go direct to the middle part of my natural hair, and then the remaining section will just go one right and one left, just like this way. So after I hold at the middle, and then I pull one at the right and I pull another one on the left side. Then I just do a normal braiding, and before I braid I make sure I pull a little bit these locks, because you don't want, once you finish braiding, then you find like you didn't hold these locks, or the locks slide a little bit down. So you just want to make everything looks good. So I make sure I pull the hair a little bit, and then I start braid. Here you just do normal cornrow if you know how to do cornrow. In case you don't know, you may either decide to start from pick hair from right side or left side. It doesn't matter, as long as you just pull a little bit tight, then you'll get something like cornrows. And then I keep braid till end of my hair. And this is how it looks like. You can see, and you can see in front it looks really natural. If you wonder if this method works for long hair, it does. It works pretty well, 100%. What you have to do is, when you stretch your hair, you don't need to stretch too long to cover your entire natural hair. Just stretch a small space that you will use to braid these locks together with your natural hair, to avoid these locks to fall apart only. But it's not necessarily that you have to cover your entire hair or your whole hair with these temporary dreadlocks. So after I stretch again, just small parts, as you see, you may either decide to attach put this temporary lock front of your natural hair or back of your natural hair. It doesn't matter. The results, they are just the same. So again, middle parts of these temporary dreadlocks go direct to middle parts of my natural hair, and then the right section and the left section just go the same, and then I start braid. Once you are braiding, don't forget to make sure you hold the locks well, because you don't want to make these locks too loose and you don't want to make this lock too tight. You just braid normal way that you'll be comfortable with this hairstyle. So after you finish braid, you also need crochet needle. This crochet needle is thin one. Don't take big one because you are going to mess up, honey. Just take small crochet needle. And what I do here is I'm going to put this crochet needle middle of this temporary lock till out of my natural hair, and then I pull my natural hair all through. When you pull, just pull gentle and make sure you pull the hair in. Again, I put my crochet needle and then I pull my natural hair again. Once you pull in and then pull this temporary lock a little bit up. So once you pull your natural hair, and then don't pull too tight because you'll find like you take too much space. Pull out your natural hair and then pull these locks a little bit out just to make the locks looks more natural. And then again, I pull my natural hair out till I make sure my natural hair all be. Finally, I'm done with installation, and now I'll be showing you how to take this hair down before I show you the final result. After you finish installation, just find the place you attach natural hair and these dreadlocks. You may take any white comb or you may take any stick that is a little bit long and thin, and then just pull your natural hair out. And after that, you may decide to take down this cornrow just a normal way. Then you'll find out your locks, they are out just like this way. You can redo it again and again and again. And guys, this is the final results for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you find this video is helpful. If yes, kindly hit the subscribe button below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one. You wish they know how to make these temporary dreadlocks. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.